Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Meshe Wang, and if you're new here, then welcome. Join the family. Click the subscribe button down below. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I apply false lashes. Alright, so the things you need are, of course, the lashes. You need an eyelash tweezer, you need the lash glue, and an eyeliner. I use an eyeliner as a guide to know where on my lid I want to place the lashes. Tip number one, guys, you need to be looking down in a mirror to apply your lashes, not straight ahead but down. All right, this is because you're going to be placing the lash down on your lid and not straight across on your lid, if you get what I'm saying. All right, when I'm starting to do it, then you'll get it better. But I usually draw, this is optional of course, but I usually do my liner so I know exactly where on my lid I want to place my lashes. All right, it's a guide, so it's best you do that. All right, so we remove the lash from the container, and you can easily remove the lash by bending the container as you saw me doing and just stripping it off with your tweezer. All right, so for secondly or thirdly, I don't know where we are in this video right now, but you also need to measure the lash on your eye. Like sometimes the lashes are longer than your eye, and so you need to measure it, and if it's any longer than your eye, then you clip that part off as you saw me doing a while ago. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and apply the glue to the lashes. Sometimes I use hair glue, other times I use lash glue. So that's it right there, guys. You need to allow it like 30 seconds, the glue on the lash for like 30 seconds for it to become tacky, and then you look down like you see me doing right now. Look down in the mirror and place it as close to your lash line as possible. All right, you want the false lash and your lash to blend seamlessly. Guys, one other thing that you can do as well is apply mascara to your own lash before you go ahead and apply the false lash to your eyes, just to get it to blend in seamlessly. But I don't usually do that because I barely have any eyelash, so it blends in okay. All right, so when you go ahead and you place that lash on the liner that we had created, you can use the tweezer as you see me doing now, and clamp the false lash and your lash together, like, yeah. I also sometimes use my fingertips and get them, yeah, I use my fingertips sometimes to clamp them so I get them seamlessly in place. And that's it. That was like 2 minutes. Like, that's how I apply my false lashes, guys. I hope this video was informative. If this was of any help to you, then go ahead and let me hear it down in the comments. Share your thoughts with me. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye.